In this video, I'm going to explain to you why the soap industry is full of lies. That's a terrible pun. It seems like every couple months there's a new product on the market that promises to brighten your complexion, moisturize your skin, make you 10 years younger, and put $1 million in your bank account. Well, that might work for some, the people who make the product, but in this video, I'm going to break it down for you. We're going to talk about the viral TikTok turmeric soap. Does it actually work? And I'm going to do all of that while making a bar of soap. Hi, I'm Kojic Robin, and I explore natural ways of healthy living.
This is the controversial turmeric and Kojic Acid soap that's supposed to lighten hyperpigmentation.
I use the soap on my armpits and my inner thighs, but you can also use it on your face or wherever you have dark spots or hyperpigmentation.
My feed has been foaming with this soap. They claim that it brightens their skin, clears up acne, reduces dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And all of this is thanks to one magical ingredient, turmeric. Okay, so safety first. When you're making soap, you want to wear goggles and you want to protect your hands because we are working with very harsh chemicals. Precision is key, so you want to use a scale. Today we're using a soap recipe that I just created for this video. I wanted to make a soap that's both conditioning and cleansing and also hard. We'll see how it works. So first I'm going to start by melting all the oils. We have 150 grams of beef tallow, and lately beef tallow has also been trending as an all-natural moisturizer for skin. The next oil I'm using is coconut oil, and this has also been touted as an all-natural moisturizer for body and hair. I like to use it because it makes a really hard bar of soap with really good cleansing qualities. Next is beeswax, and I like using beeswax because it adds a little bit of hardness to the soap. The next oil I'm using is castor oil. Castor oil has also been trending as a natural remedy for all kinds of things, but in soap, all it does is increase the lather. The next oil I'm using is sea buckthorn oil, and this oil is super moisturizing when applied directly to the skin. It's also a great culinary oil. In soap, it adds a lot of conditioning properties. And last but not least is our magical ingredient, turmeric infused olive oil. For those who don't know, turmeric is a plant, and the part we most commonly use is the rhizome, the part that grows under the ground. Its health benefits have been well documented in Ayurvedic medicine. Benefits such as support for healthy digestion, and it's a potent antioxidant that strengthens the immune system. Turmeric will stain everything that it touches. Look at this. And in some studies, it has even been shown to clear the impurities of the skin. And these claims have been proven in numerous studies, but in order for them to take effect, turmeric either needs to be ingested or left on the skin for a prolonged period of time, and that just doesn't happen with soap. How long do you leave soap on your skin? 1 minute, 2 minutes max? Soap is a product that needs to be washed off, so that's problem number one. Problem number two is a little process called saponification. Saponification is the hydrolysis of an ester with sodium hydroxide, which is just a really nerdy way of saying the making of soap. And soap is a product of a chemical reaction that happens when you mix fat with lye. And lye is a major component of soap. You cannot make soap without lye. Lye on its own is a very scary substance. It's super alkaline, it's used to clean drains, and it will burn your skin if it comes in contact with it. However, combining it with fat completely changes its molecular composition. Another ingredient that I often see in the soap is kojic acid. And kojic acid, when applied to the skin, has been shown to lighten dark spots and hyperpigmentation. The only problem is that lye is a base. And what happens when you combine an acid and a base? It makes a very cool volcano, and in the process, the acid and the base are neutralized to form a salt. So when you're using this soap, you're not applying kojic acid to your skin, you're applying kojic salt, which is not the same. So if you do want the lightening effects, you'll be better off using it in something like a lotion or a serum. So it's been 2 days. Let's unmold our soap. Look at that. Look at these really nice, hard bars of soap. Now these will need to cure for another 6 to 8 weeks to be usable. But look at how pretty. All organic, homemade, all natural turmeric soap. But does it actually work, or is it just a way for influencers to capitalize on your doom scrolling? Well, so far we've established that all the ingredients are majorly altered in the process of making soap. What goes in is not what goes out. However, it does make for a pretty nice bar of soap. And as far as soap goes, all it's supposed to do is clean. And it does that really well. However, if you're using this to lighten areas where the sun don't shine, you don't need soap. You need Jesus. So stop washing your money down the drain and become an educated consumer. And even better, start making your own soap. And I'm gonna post the recipe for this soap in the description below. Until next one, bye-bye.